Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your image and checking permissions. First, pick a 1920 by 1080 JPG or PNG under 1 MB because Teams prefers that size for clarity. Next, open the Desktop Teams app and sign in. Custom backgrounds are primarily supported there, so avoid the mobile app for this step. If your organization blocks custom images, go to Admin Settings or ask IT and confirm the policy is enabled. Once done, move to Uploading so you can test the visual. You're now in a meeting and ready to add the background. Click More Actions, then Apply Background Effects, and you'll see built-in options plus an Add New button. Use Add New to upload your prepared image, wait for the preview to render, and inspect edges around your head to ensure no clipping occurs. If the preview looks good, click Apply and Start Video. You can also toggle blur versus a custom image and upload multiple images to switch between looks quickly. Finish by validating the background under real conditions. Join a private meeting to check lighting, cropping, and any virtual artifacting, because what looks fine on desktop preview may shift in low light. If your image won't appear, make sure the file is JPG/PNG under the size limit and that Teams is updated. Restart the app after changes. If the background is blocked, contact IT about org policies, or use the Teams web app as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.